how to download Fortnite on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Downloading Fortnite on iOS is slightly complicated than you think. And you can only install Fortnite on iOS if you are inside the EU. And if you are in any other country, including the UK, then it is still not available at the moment. Now, if you are in the EU, the process is largely the same. You'll just need to go through a process of verifying your location. For that, go ahead and make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 17.6 or higher, and you have to use either the Brave or Safari web browsers. So, download the Epic Game Store for iOS by going to fortnite.com/download. Now follow the prompts to allow Epic Game Marketplace on your device. Once installed, find Fortnite on the Epic Game Store and tap on the download button. Wait for the download to complete, as the downloading process might take a bit longer since the file is large. Once downloaded, go ahead and launch the application and use Fortnite further. And this is how you can download Fortnite Mobile on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.